city life got us like stressed, tired, and ready to throw our phones into the sea. So we packed our bags, left our problems in the city, and said, let's escape. So here's escaping city life, exploring Negros Oriental.
Hey, what's your plan this weekend? What are you doing? Are you staying in the city? Staying home? What are you trying to do? What are you going to do? What if we fly out to Negros Oriental, do some diving, or see Dumaguete? Well, there's only one way to find out. You have to go and explore. Let's go. The city of Dumaguete has a lot to offer. It's one of my favorite cities. The main goal really is to go diving in Apo Island. But we decided to book a resort just 15 minutes out of the city. It was scary. It was scary. A scary resort. We didn't realize that it's not what we expected. The reason why we call it horror movie is because we were so disappointed because online the pictures and the surroundings are really good, and then when we get there it's so disappointing because the place is not really looked after. My friends are really cool. They're trooper. They're very easygoing and no issues at all. I'm not there to bring them down. It's just that my observation. So we decided, okay, you know what? We're supposed to stay there for 5 days in that particular resort. But we decided to just stay 1 day and move on. So that's what we did.
Tip, always check the reviews before booking a place online. Nice photos don't always mean nice days.
So we left and decided, let's explore the city of Dumaguete, get some food, and just see what's all about. The first thing we went is the promenade. They have a nice promenade. Promenade is waterfront. So we decided to walk around and see the sound, the sights, the sunset. And we also wanted to check out the local restaurants. So we decided to have some food and we went to Casablanca.
This restaurant serves up the perfect blend of classy ambience and comfort food done right. From flavorful mains to refreshing drinks, it's a must-try spot if you're craving a chill yet elevated dining experience in the city.
After we explored the city of Dumaguete, we had some dinner, we had an amazing time, walk around, see a lot of other people, you know, along the way while walking. We say hello, we get invited to, like, there's a bar along the road near the promenade, and yeah, it's just a great time. That's what I love about Dumaguete. There's a lot of going on daytime and at nighttime. So next day, we had our driver pick us up from the resort. We move on to another town where actually we just swing by and we get to this spot called Valencia. It's the name of the town where on the way we get to see monkeys along the road. So we stopped.
We didn't plan to see monkeys, but there they were, just casually hanging out on the side of the road. No cages, no signs, just a bunch of locals reminding us whose island this really is.
Our trip is very spontaneous. We really didn't have any plans in between. We decided that we want to go see these waterfalls. It's called Pulang Bato or Red Rock.
Red Rock is a hidden gem with fiery red rocks, cool mountain air, and waterfalls that look straight out of a postcard. It's the perfect quick stop if you want nature, peace, and a little drama in your drone shots.
So there's a waterfalls, there's a swimming pool, we had lunch, we rented an Nipa hut. I'm gonna list down all the prices and the tickets and the entrance in the link below for you guys so that you can refer to it if you guys wanna check it out and visit and fly out there. And this time, we really don't have anything booked. So I was kind of like getting worried because when my husband and I we fly out sometimes I will have like a accommodation, but if we feel like we need to switch to a new location, if there's availability, we're gonna do it. I mean, that's why we're there, because we're on vacation. We want to enjoy ourselves. I want to enjoy our time because we work hard. We're there to relax. After Valencia, we head out to this town called Darwin. Darwin, it's a good place. I like Darwin because we end up in this amazing resort called Pura Vida. And these guys, they know it's a beautiful place, such an amazing atmosphere. The staff are amazing. It's not really, it's super expensive.
Pura Vida Resort in Darwin is a beachfront getaway known for its laid-back atmosphere and tropical charm. With cozy accommodations, lush gardens, and direct access to the sea, it's a popular spot for divers and travelers looking to unwind. The resort also offers a full-service dive center, a beachfront restaurant, and stunning views of Apo Island just across the water.
And here's the kicker. The day that we got there, they're almost sold out. They only have one suite left. And the suite can accommodate 6 people and 6 of us. But, you know, we're friends, but we don't want to be that close. And, you know, if there's one bathroom, you know how it is with the friends traveling together. But you know what? That's the good thing about our friends. They are so flexible. And then so we decided we just want to stay in this one big suite. And we did it. And oh my gosh, we had the best time. They have amazing swimming pool, and the most amazing thing about it is they know how to do diving. They have all the equipment, and Apo Island, beautiful. If you are deciding to do what to do this weekend or the following weekend, you want to get out of the city, book a flight to Dumaguete. Go diving in Apo Island. But in rainy season, they're probably not gonna let you go up there, especially if there's a typhoon coming. But other than that, it's a whole year round. You can go there, beautiful weather, beautiful people, amazing food, amazing island, and it's easy to get to. That's the most important thing. I love to go to these places within the Philippines that's easy to get to. But it's also good to explore those places that it's not easy to get to, because it means it's not a lot of people, it's not a lot of tourists. So there you go, guys. Enjoy your weekend. If you're in the Philippines, if you're planning to go to the Philippines, visit Dumaguete, visit Negros, and you're gonna have so much fun.
If you want to book a flight to any parts of the Philippines, any international flights, please scan the codes that you see in here to give you a good discount, and you'll enjoy your trip. So it should be good.
And if you want to book a place to stay or for hotel bookings and accommodation, scan this code. From waterfalls to beach days, and even a few surprise monkey encounters. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next one. See you soon.
Enjoy, you guys, and I hope to see you soon here in the islands of the Philippines. And I'll see you in our next adventure. Bye!
Ready? Ready?
Yes.
Oh, I scratched. Ready?
That is going in the outtakes. Hold on.